Welcome to a new video. This is all about a new challenge I am doing. I put it out on a poll on my channel, so if you have subscribed and you see my posts and comments, etc. I put a poll out last week with regards to a new challenge. You guys voted, so that's what this video is about. So keep on watching to find out what the challenge is. So before we dive into the video, please hit that like button, also subscribe. It means a lot to myself. Chuck a comment down below if you can as well. It just helps YouTube recognize this video and spread it even more through YouTube. So the last couple of weeks I posted 2 videos. 2 of them are challenges I've been doing already on my portfolio, which is investing a certain amount of money every day over a certain amount of period. So the first one was investing £1 a day. The second one was investing £5 every day. And then the next one will be investing £10 every day. So make sure you stay tuned for that video coming out soon. But this one is slightly different. Those videos are on individual stocks. This one is all about a pie. So when I put the poll out, I asked you guys what you want to see the next challenge to be. If it's an individual stock, a ETF, a pie, or something different. Most of you picked invest into a pie. So I went through the pies on trading 212. None of them really took my fancy. So I thought I would build my own pie. So we're going to dive into the pie, look at what stocks I've picked and put into the pie, and just have a look over them. So the app I am using for this challenge is Trading 212. If you want to join Trading 212 and start investing, there's a link below. Click on that, sign up, deposit your first amount of money, and you'll get free stocks or free shares worth up to £100. With that, you can do whatever you want. You can keep them for the long term, you can sell them, make a profit, withdraw the money and forget about it, or you can start investing, sell it and put the money into something else. So if that's something you want to do, click on the link below. So here we are now. We are now on Trading 212. If we jump across to the pies, you can see I've got a number of individual pies here, and the new challenge we're looking at is dividends growth every month. So with this pie, the goal is to pick solid companies, but with these solid companies I'll also get paid dividends every month. So not like a REIT where it pays out every month, but a different company pays me each month. So over the 12 months, a different company will pay me each month. So Coca-Cola will pay me 3 months of the year, another company will pay me another 3 months, another company will pay me the other 3 months, and so on. So each company will hopefully pay me dividends, and I will get paid dividends pretty much every month over the 12 months. That is the goal, and then the dividends will just keep reinvesting into the pie, and then it'll just keep growing from there. So this is the pie here. There's already 300 and I invested 363. It's currently up just shy of 2%, so just over £7. So with this fund, I sold Greencoat. Greencoat was an energy company I held. It wasn't performing really well, and pretty much as soon as it broke green, I sold it because I didn't really like the company itself and how it was going. So I basically just sold that, and then what I sold that for is basically what I used to open up this pie. So we're going to jump across into the holdings. So it's currently 8 companies in this pie. So we got pretty much all strong companies with long-term success, dividend growth over a number of years. So as you see here, Apple Coca-Cola, PepsiCo, ABBV, Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble, Starbucks and Lowe's. So they're all big growth companies as well, let's say. So they're hopefully companies that will grow in the future. They'll also grow their dividends in the future, etc., etc. And they are pretty much consumers items. So Apple sells goods, Coca-Cola, hundreds of products, PepsiCo, again, hundreds of products. ABBV, that's in the health sector, but again, a solid company with solid dividends and growth. Johnson & Johnson, again, thousands of products. Procter & Gamble, again, thousands of products, so they're always in the shops, always selling. Starbucks, it's a mixed bag. It's the only one that's in red so far. It did drop a lot last week. And then Lowe's is a home department, really. So we go to get home improvements, stuff like that, etc. for your house. So again, another strong company. So all these are consumers, really, and they offer products which we buy every day, in everyday life, really, when we go shopping, stuff like that. We're pretty much going to buy one of these products from one of these companies. So that's what I was looking at here when I was building this pie. The way it's broken down, it's pretty much 13% in each company. So when I put money into this company, it'll basically spread out between these 8 companies. So this is the challenge. This is the pie. And I'm going to be investing I'll be investing £2 every day. So I'll try and do monthly, maybe every 2 months, updates on this pie. You put in the comments box below with how often you'd like to see updates on this and how it's going over the future. So if you want to see it every 3 months, every 6 months, or just the end of year, or every month, completely up to you. But this is the pie you guys chose. So let's get this challenge started. It is Saturday, so it will be starting Monday going forward, and investing £2 every day into this pie for a year, probably longer, maybe a long-term thing, but it will be a yearly thing. So end of the year, I'll do an overview of the portfolio or the pie and how it's looking. But other than that, hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button. Also subscribe if you haven't, it means a lot. And also go check out my other videos.